Hey guys, me Shane Plays it back for another video. And before I finish the intro, I gotta say that a couple things happened. 2 recordings failed in a row. What I did was talk about how Gummy Bee works. It's a new event bee. Gummy Bear works. It's over there in the direction that I'm tapping. Also, I completed a quest for Panda Bear, and I finished the Silver Egg quest for Brown Bear, Black Bear over there. And now this guy wants us to defeat 15 ladybugs. So first we're going to go change a bee from royal jelly into something awesome. Hopefully, if it's a legendary bee, I'm gonna freak out because I just started. Only played this game for about 35 minutes before, so yeah. I also finished a brown bear quest. I think I did. I might have. I don't know. Let's change my rascal bee into a cool bee. Nice. Okay. 14 speed. That's good. Good. Okay. I need to change one of my liquid bees next time. Okay. Let's finish this brown bear quest. How much does it cost to get? Yay! Okay, now I need 15,000. This will help us with the ladybug quest. I'm lagging to death today. Hopefully Gummy Bear launches some his goo over here. If he doesn't, I'll just put down some gumdrops. Yeah, I already have. Oh, he's launching goo over here. Get it. Get some. Get it.
Well, we can do something while he's gone, because he's doing something. No, he's got it. We can do something while waiting for him to get back. I just did Headhunter, so we gotta wait like 7 minutes, but we got like 2 minutes. I can do Sightseer or something.
Spider fields. I don't need spider fields. No.
Alright, Seth, where you at? Seth. Alright, get in on, I can pick you up. Okay. Because you don't have to be in this car, you just... Well, never mind, there comes Jason, I think. Alright, Jason, hire us. Your stuff. Yeah. Let's hire everybody.
Okay, let's go back to Brown Bear and turn in this quest. be a way to somehow parkour up there. I'm thinking if I just like get up here and then get like speed boost or something and jump up there. Dandelion Fields. New type of bee. Hasty bee. No, 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 no.
Just had to do it.
Yeah, during one of my videos.
Yeah.
I had to do it.
No missions to stop.
I'm making a video, so you stop.
You stop.
You stop.
Do it. What? Oh, yeah.
Okay. Let's grab the haste.
Oh, shit.
Huh?
How do I activate the thing again?
What's this?
Alright.
Parkour! What does this lead to? I bet there's that royal jelly that's in the new bear shop. Crap. My phone's gonna die. Now if my phone shuts down, whenever I plug it up. Are you fine? Yeah, it's fine. It's lagging. That's it. Why is it lagging so badly? Please help. Okay, so let's get some quests done.
At least get 10 apiece, so.
If I collect a tiny bit more goo. Not that much. I got that right. Yeah, I got that. Okay. Ah. Good job. Okay. Begin the goo invasion. First quest done.
I'll go for all these ones over here at Vespucci Beach.
Receive gumdrop scene tickets. Okay. What do you want now? Can I get back here? I'll be in the cannon. Go on. Go on.
Yeah, I just get all the ones over here at Vespucci.
Go right through them. That's weird.
I said I'll get all the ones over here at Vespucci.
Dang, well. Guys, do you know what time it is? It's time for royal jelly. I could probably do that parkour with this haste on. It's gotta be a piece of cake with this haste. No! Well, guys, now we're going to respond. And we shall royal jelly up our Looker bee. Press yes, cross your fingers and toes. Buckle bee! Woo! That's a new bee. It's epic too. Ooh, that's good. Well, guys, we've ended off on a good note. Hope y'all enjoyed the episode. See you next time, and bye.